Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add this golden glow effect to your videos in CapCut PC. Go to filters, select scenery, and add in the San Francisco one and adjust the strength to around like 25 to 30. I'm just going to do 27. Then go to effects. This is a pro feature, but you're going to essentially add the slash vibration to it. Make sure the speed is at 0, as well as the size, as well as the strength here. I think it's just going to add that though. Actually, I'm going to adjust it a little bit. So I do want the speed to be 0. I want the atmosphere to be at 100. Then I want to put the color at around 55-ish. And I want the glow to be at like around 40. And I'm just going to leave it like that. You can just delete the intro later, but you do have to add in the glow. So yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!